ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Dear students, as you all know that I am sharing some videos on the seminars what your friends are giving. Some topics they are general, some topics are technical. So both seminar topics are useful for you. Why I am sharing is you will learn new things from those seminar, and also you will get some good things, some tips how to give the better presentation, and you understand what the mistakes they are doing, or from your seminar video also you can understand what the mistakes you have made, and next time when you are giving the seminar you should not do those mistakes. So by practicing like this, so once you will become perfect in giving the seminar. Why I am telling, why I am insisting you is giving seminar is a mandatory in diploma as well as in engineering. So seminar presentation ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಇದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ seminar. So I wish all my students to become perfect in giving the seminar. I wish you all become a very good communicator and develop a good presentation skills. Okay. Right standard, peace, truth, love, non-violence. These are the core values every human values should have. Welcome Chaitra for presenting the seminar topic, that is values and types of values. Give her a big round of applause.
Myself Chaitra. My topic name is definition of values and types of values and how to human values evolve. Definition of values. Values are the kind of guidance and perception for our own success and well-being is called as the value. Andre values a kind of guidelines and perception andre ಗ್ರಹಿಕೆಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ values ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Or one can define as a principle or beliefs what is right and what is wrong, that promoters well or critical damages if going to happen in it is called as the value. And types of values. In the four human values there are 5 types. First one is right conduct, second one is peace, third one is love, fourth one is non-violence, fifth one is peace. Values related to right conduct. First one is self-help skills, second one is social skills, third one ethical skills. Self-help skills care, diet, hygiene, posture, self-reliance, etc. Social skills good behavior, good manners, good relationship, no wastage and good environment. Ethical skills code of conduct, culture and etc. Values related to peace of attention, concentration, vicinity, equality, focus, etc. Next one is values related to love of attention, affection, care, devotion, and forgiveness, kindness, and sharing, and etc. Values related to thought, accuracy, fairness, honest, dignity, justice, quality, quest for the knowledge, and physically, psychological, forgiveness, manners, loyalty, morality, helping others and universal love. Social brotherhood, citizenship, equality, national awareness, respect for social justice, and appreciation for other culture and religions. How to human values evolve? The human values evolve because of the following factors are the impact of the norms of the society, fulfilling needs of the individual needs or desires, developed or modified by one's own awareness and choice and judgment to fulfilling the needs by the teaching and practice of perception or religious leaders, fostered or modified by one's own awareness and kingdom and by the law government. Thank you.
Let me conclude. So she has covered a very important topic, what all the values everyone must develop. A big round of applause. Giving a seminar on knowing about yourself. It's a very important topic everyone must know. Okay? Yes, sir.
Yourself. First of all, you want to know about know about yourself. What is important of knowing yourself? Definition is knowing yourself is a lifelong process because we cannot know ourselves really depends on how effectively you use your strength and identify your weakness, which you will discover when you truly know yourself. Knowing yourself has benefit which we can increase our strength and decrease our weakness. And we need to work with peoples of different religion, cultures, and different languages, religions, and region. Therefore, to understand others, first we need to understand ourselves. And to understand ourselves, it is impossible to do in one day. We need our whole life to understand ourselves. And why it is important? Because it helps to control our emotions, helps to reach your goals, helps to reach better decision, helps to improve relationship, helps to realize and improve your full potential, and so on. The process of knowing yourself includes, by this process we can know ourselves in a better way. First, personal diary and practice meditation, exercise regularly, go for walk regularly, go do some riding and driving, do some outing, develop your hobbies, develop some new interests, sort analysis and its benefits. In short, S stands for strength, B stands for W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunity, and T stands for threat. Strength and weakness is internal origin, opportunity and threats are external origin. But strength and opportunity is helpful, and weakness and threats are harmful to us. SWOT analysis. It is framework for analyzing your strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats you face. It helps to focus. It helps to focus on your strength and minimize the weakness, and take the greatest possibility to advantage of opportunity available to overcome threats. Benefits of SWOT analysis. It is scalable. Means we cannot measure it. It helps. It is simple to participants. They can grasp the concept and process easily. It can be practiced at individual and corporate levels. Less expensive, inclusive. It allows to participate of team. The results are more likely to represent the real environment. It allows all to participate, and by this we can know about ourselves easily. There are some special features of SWOT analysis. Strategic planning. Strengths and opportunities are helpful. Weakness and threats are harmful. SWOT builds organization strength. It helps whether the business is healthy or sick.
So thank you, Misbah, for giving a very nice presentation on the topic, that is knowing about yourself and what is the importance of knowing about yourself. Okay, give her a big round of applause.